Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Friends, yesterday we discussed Istio, right? Like EKS cluster also we installed previous sessions. Can you please go through that first of all? And today we need to discuss Minikube install. Like actually that Amazon Linux like we are going to install. Previous sessions we are installed EKS cluster Amazon like in AWS. Like like EKS cluster it will chargeable like some of the cost it will chargeable on your EKS services and this minikubes cluster we need to deploy simple application and we are going to test the simple applications for learning purpose this will be sufficient. Is there anyone starting like newly? This is sufficient to learn. You can go first minikube sessions. Like this is one of the simple smallest cluster and we need to install Amazon Linux and we can go like deploy the smallest application. This will not work any browsers or exposing the outside, but it will work check the output in using to curl command and your local cluster. Okay, we can start the session. Like I have added some of the steps here. This I will push the my GitHub, then I will paste the GitHub link like Bitbucket link in video description. First of all, go through all the steps. Like this is little uh, difficult to install. Like the newer version, they are added many difficult to install the newer versions. Like currently, EKS cluster is running 1.26. So this cluster we need to install many like softwares is required. So I have added all the steps and troubleshooting steps also there. If you need I will add that steps also in below this documentation. Go through first all the steps, then we can like you need to start to install using to Amazon Linux. Okay guys, we can start now. I'm trying to install Amazon Linux. So we need to take T2 medium, so 2 CPS we required, so that we need to go for T2 medium. I'm going to take that. I'm going to log in my AWS session. Okay, I'm able to log in. I'm going to EC2. Okay, I'm trying to launching new EC2 server. Adding Minikube, Amazon Linux. Okay, we can select it to medium. 2 CPUs, 4 GB memory I'm taking. If you need you can take X-T2 large also, and if you are deploying many like parts or many deployment you can take T2 large also. I am just deploying sample application, so this will be sufficient for me. I'm selecting my case, keep pair. I'm directly launching this. I'm using default VPC and default network security groups, everything. I'm going to this. If you need you can allow all the ports also, or for practice purpose And also this minikube, we are not using any company level. This will not allow any company level. For your practice purpose, you need to edit this. And also if you want, you can allow there is a node port, like port range is there 30,000 to 32,767, so that you need to configure like that. As of now I'm allowing all the ports. I will show you how to allow 30 to 30,000 that port range also. You just go TCP and add here, sorry, add it here 31 to 36,000 like this, and or add it anywhere, like you need to allow IPv4, then save it. Okay, okay, fine. I'm going to my EC2. My EC2 server is up and running. I'm connecting this server. EC2 user. I'm adding my key pair, demo case. I'm connecting now. Accept. I'm connecting to root user. Now we can go to one by one, you can follow all the steps, don't miss any steps. If you are missing any steps, this will be trouble for minikube install. So previously I mentioned this minikube, as of now it is running latest version. This latest version, many softwares were required, so you need to follow one by one. I'm installing Docker. So my Docker was installed. Now enable the Docker. And also you just change the user of Docker. It is running root, right? You just change that user to root to EC2 user. And also you just enable this. And now restart the Docker. Now check the status of Docker. Systemctl status Docker. So my Docker is active and service also enabled. So now Docker is ready. Now I'm going to install Minikube. Now I'm downloading Minikube. Now I'm moving to this kubectl. So I download kubectl package. Now I'm moving to this package to bin location. After that you just provide the execution permissions. Now you can check kubectl version. See, now I am able to see client version. As of now I am able to see only client version, like 1.27. I will show you what is the difference of next. We can move to next things. Now install the Minikube. Now I am downloading Minikube. Now I am installing that. Like whatever I am downloading, I am installing that Minikube. So Minikube install. See, now I am checking again. This 1.27 major version. Now I am going to install conntrack. This will require Docker connecting to Minikube. So we need to install conntrack. This package is required now, like this new version of Kubectl or Minikube. So I am going to install conntrack. Now it's completed. Now I am going to install Git. So I need to download one network plugin. So that I am going to install Git also. Now I am downloading that CRI network plugin, dockerd. Okay. Now this will require some installer package. So I am going to install download this also. First, then we need to install this using this command. So that I am downloading this installer first. Provide the execution permission and also run this. Using to dot installer, you need to run this command. So it will take some time. You need to wait for that until unless this will complete. Okay, this is okay, fine, no issue. Like see, this is downloading, just this is okay for now. Now I am going to expose the path. So this will installer was like completed. Now I am going to, previously I downloaded CRI Docker, right, network plugin. Now I am going to inside that. Okay, I am inside that. See, these are the packages are there. Now I am creating one bin directory here. So I am running this command also. So previously we installed the some packages, right? Go package also there in this location. Now I am running this. This will also take little time. I think 3-4 minutes it will take some time. You just wait for that. Once this is completed, I will be back. I am passing this video. Once this completed, I will be back. Okay, this command got completed, guys. Now we need to move another commands. So after this completed, you just move this package in user bin. Previously we created directory, right? You just move that. Okay, I am creating one more under that slash user local. I am creating one this one bin folder. I'm again going to this location. Here it is there. This command got executed. Now this I have created. Now execute the install package. Okay, this is done. Now copy the systemd package. This is also done. Now search this dockerd, execute this. Okay, this is also done. Now reload the systemctl. Now enable the docker cri. Okay, done. Till here I'm done. Now I need to go to the root. Again check the kubectl version. See, my version is same. There is no any issue now as of now. This connection refuse, this I will show you. This is some network plugin. Again I need to install cri-dockerd package. I'm going to download that. Okay, now I'm extracting that. Okay, again I'm removing here. After extracting I'm removing. Then you just add some packages /etc location. Execute one shot this command. Okay, done. Now start the Minikube. Okay, my Minikube is starting. Okay, now my Minikube is run. Let's check the Minikube. Check the status of Minikube. Okay, everything is okay. Now check the ports. My network plugin issue. Now check the nodes. My node is showing not ready. Check the kubectl version. See, now server version also enabled. Now kubectl version and server version both are enabled now. Okay, now we need to troubleshoot the issue why my work node is master node is not working. So for troubleshooting you need to describe the node. There are many steps. I will add that steps also, like why this is fetching. Node is not ready, run containers not in network, reason network plugin is not ready. So see, my network parts are not running and network plugin is not running. This issue I already faced this issue. So I have some steps also. We need to delete that first Minikube. So I already told no, this latest version we are facing some couple of issues, so that first you need to follow that all the steps. After that you need to remove, then you need to start again Minikube. This will take again 3 to 4 minutes. It will restart everything, all the whatever we are performing now, it will restart everything. Kubectl, cri, docker, everything it will be restart, then it will be start. Meanwhile we can go through troubleshooting step. I have added some of the troubleshooting steps here. You just follow this. I will add that steps in like this documentation also. See, I have checked the events first. Events it is showing event register note. There is no any issue. Find out the events. After that I restarted kubelet. Then I have added some network configurations. This will also not working. And after that like I have added some network plugins. After that also not working. And also I check that same issue again. See, it is showing not ready. After that I install some network CNI plugins also. This is also not working. Then finally I got the one solution. I have added some core DNS. So after that also I check not working. So I perform again these things and all, log status node, and remove that, and I restarted kubectl again, minikube restarted, everything I started. Finally I got one solution. We need to add that restart everything until unless cluster. You need to restart everything. Now my restart command is completed. Now check the nodes. See, my minikube node is ready. So this how we need to follow the steps, guys. Like this is very important for beginners. You need to learn anyway using to minikube. You need to deploy your smallest applications, or if you want you can take large instance and you need to deploy it whatever your application. So now we are going to deploy one simple application. I am just creating some hello world. And also I am exposing that port. Previously I showed in starting, right, we need to expose port in 32 to 32,767. So I am exposing the node port. Now check the ports. kubectl get ports -a. See, my all the ports are running. And also check this service kubectl get svc. See, my node port is the my application is this, my service application. My internal and external port is 30,000 to 26, like I already told, right, range 30,000 so 36,767. So my range is my port is now 30,000. Now you can use to curl command and check that. Meanwhile you need to get that IP in minikube IP. For that use this command, you will get that IP. Now you can use curl -kv and add this and colon 30,263. See, I am able to connect. I got the output, client values, server values, header received, everything. So this is the thing, guys. So we need to follow all the steps, don't miss anything. If you miss anything, so I told we face many such kind of issues, network plugin issues, docker issues, and contractor issues. So that you need to follow all the steps. I will add each and every steps. I'm not missing any steps, so you can follow, go through this video first, and you need to follow this documentation. I think that's it, guys. Today we can continue tomorrow. If any questions, any new topics required, please comment video this video. Like, I will try to make it new videos also. Okay, guys, thank you. We can meet up tomorrow. Thank you.